Hey guys, this is Kelly, and you're watching RC Mechanic. Today we're going to go ahead and put this transmission in, but there's a few things we need to change. First, I'm also going to go ahead and throw the motor in, and today what I'm using is an RC 4-wheel drive 35 turn. So why I use these is because I can get them as low as $10 a piece. I can replace a lot of motors for 10 bucks a piece, right? Some people like to go with the Holmes Hobby, which is a lot more money, but the RC 4-wheel drive has not really failed me yet, and it comes on the RTR. They work well. So we're going to go ahead and put this motor in on here. Hopefully I can find all the parts because I moved everything off. I moved everything that was left to the left and everything to the right to make room, and I put everything back up on the shelf. So we're just looking at this right now. Today I've been pretty busy. I worked on the interior. I have painted the body. I went with a hunter green, which I think is looking really good. I mean, really good. What I did with the interior is I painted it with a spray can bed liner, so it's going to have a texture to it. And I think as I run this thing and get it dirty and whatever, it's really going to take on a personality of its own. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this cover off right here, and we'll get this motor put in, and get it all meshed up, and I'll show you what you need to do in order to get it done. Alright, so I got the motor installed, and what I was talking about with these mounts is this. These are more like an SCX10 mount, so this is the way it comes, and we're going to end up having to put like these mounting blocks in instead. Okay, when it comes to putting the motor in, there isn't a whole lot of adjustment. There's basically the pinion is about as big as you can get out of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take these two screws off, these two screws off, and then we're gonna go ahead and mount that into here. Alright guys, so I got the motor installed. I even put the cover on. These here, you do not need to use them. There's a couple of blocks that come with these, with this kit. And that's what mounts the transmission here. I got the cover on. The one thing I found was that starting this right side was kind of difficult. So, alright, so next thing up would be to install the servo, and I'm thinking, alright, so the servo is right there. I got 4 screws to put in right here. I need to find them, and alright, so I have installed the steering servo. It actually did not turn out like I thought it would, and I'm thinking that these back screws right here could be a little bit tighter. So no matter where it is, it's not sitting square on the mount right now, but at the moment it's looking like it needs to be right there, like just past this mounting screw right here, up one, and cut the rest of this off. Reason why is because it's gonna hit, you know, no matter what happens, it's gonna hit. or there's a possibility of it getting hit. So I'm gonna have to cut this off, and hopefully by then the interior will be mostly dry, and I can go ahead and install that, and we'll see you next time on RC Mechanic. And remember to keep building, and keep thinking, and keep dreaming.